Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ford Explorer Platinum, which you can see from the nice kind of mahogany-esque seats. Oh yeah, here's a really good angle. You can tell the difference. Nice. Let me shut the door this time because all day today I've left these open and had to get out and fix them. Quad exhaust. Star White metallic tricoat over ebony leather seats. Total price of $59,210. Powered by, I think the 3.0 EcoBoost V6 made it to the 10-speed. I love the looks of this vehicle. It is gorgeous. Same with that Star White. Ooh, man. Such a beautiful vehicle. Yeah, I would own one of these all day. All right. Inside, just as gorgeous. Plenty of room for water bottles. Bang & Olufsen sound system. Active park assist. Actually, it's not even park assist. It parks itself. Beautiful steering wheel. Digital gauge cluster which changes with the drive modes, which you control down here. Eco, normal, slippery, and trail. And then deep snow and sand. Let's see what trail looks like. Yeah, so each drive mode, let's go with Eco, which is probably going to be all green. Oh, it's blue. So now it's based on your MPG and stuff like that. So, very, very good system. I'm going to bump it over into Sport. Now, this does come with Active Park. Go ahead and set it for perpendicular. There we go. Release the steering wheel, shift to neutral, hold the park button, and release the brake. Now, it will automatically shift into drive, as long as you keep holding that button. Wants to adjust itself. Sensed it wasn't in the lines, so it adjusted itself. Like, that's insane. The fact that it can do that. Now, this is probably the most relaxing review I've done, seeing how I'm not doing anything. It's all finished. Put you in park. You're good to shut it off and go. But we're going to drive it this time. Take over from the computer. Let me drive. It's a great vehicle to drive. Extremely luxurious. All of the materials in here are very, very nice to the touch, as they should be for $60,000. That's a lot of money for an SUV like this. It is a 3-row SUV. I have both seats in the 3rd row down because we have some mats that will come with the vehicle, some all-weather mats that are kept back there. And when I opened the hatch to put the plate in, it fell all over the ground. So, really great get up and go. If you want more power, you can get a Explorer ST. It has 400 horsepower. It's pretty insane to think about. You know, back in the 70s, 425 horsepower, that was the muscle car. You know, that was that day's Hellcat. Now you can get that in a 3-row SUV. Like, yeah, it's pretty insane. Now, this all-wheel drive system is rear biased, which is a first, really. There's not a lot of rear biased SUVs out there. Now going on to the bumpy road. It's not bad at all. That's in sport mode too, so suspension in its firmest setting. Oh, it's a little rocket. Well, not little. It's quite big, actually. But it's a rocket. Once you hit boost, forget eco. This thing just boosts. I'll go down this row with all our Sentras and Maximas and Leaves? Yeah, Leaves. Man, oh man, is this thing fun. And this isn't even the ST. This is, well, I shouldn't say just the Platinum because it's the top of the line. But it's an absolute joy to drive. I could be in this thing all day, and let me guess. Yep, it's got massaging seats. Oh, man. Like, come on, where are you gonna get something as luxurious as this for under $100,000, you're really not gonna find much. No, it already backed itself up. I'll try it. Bingo. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.